Welcome to Curve Nova 2.0, where rising talent meets bold inspiration. Today we feature Lenina Fiore, an American fitness model, YouTuber, and digital creator celebrated for her energetic lifestyle videos and powerful online presence. Born on October 28, 2000, in the United States, she represents the Scorpio zodiac, holds American nationality, and comes from white descent. Standing around 5 feet 6 inches and weighing approximately 50 kilograms, Lenina is recognized for her striking blonde hair, warm brown eyes, and confident signature style. She first gained attention with fitness clips, wellness content, and vibrant lifestyle posts that steadily built momentum on social media. Through creativity, consistency, and dedication, she attracted a global audience who follow her for motivational tips, fashion inspiration, and behind-the-scenes glimpses of her life. Today, Lenina's net worth is estimated at $650,000, earned through modeling, sponsorships, digital collaborations, and premium platforms. With her positivity and empowering message, Lenina Fiore continues to rise, inspiring fans worldwide and embodying the spirit of Curve Nova 2.0.